Hey guys, what's up? So I didn't end up vlogging all day because I've been home all day pretty much doing assignments, trying to catch up on what I need to catch up on because it's crunch time again. And you know how it goes with school. So I was supposed to go to school, but I didn't even go. I had one class. I was like, I'm not going. So I'm about to start making dinner. Yeah, I'm about to start making dinner, guys. Hubby is on his way home, so I'm gonna get this dinner stuff cracking. Let me just turn on some light in here so you guys can see. Ow, I end up cutting my hand. Earlier, and it hurt so crazy. I just cut my hand on stuff. So I'm gonna get dinner on, get the pot on, and what is this? So I gotta get cooking, but I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. Yes, I hope you guys are having a good day. Today is just one of those tiring days, like, you know, those days when you just feel lazy and don't feel like doing anything. That was kind of me today, but I still had to get up and push through to make sure that I got my stuff for school done. So today was the day I felt not so 100. I ended up pre-prepping all my stuff. Yeah, I was down here earlier. I just actually finished showering because I'm like, let me go shower and let me get my stuff ready so I don't have to worry about it. So my food, I got the stove going on there. I gotta probably put some water in that. So I pre-prep, I cut up my vegetables, and I am making liver. So that's what I'm making. I have it seasoned, and I have my flour here that I already sorted it out. So it's ready to go. And I also have my sweet potato, yam, and dasheen in the water, ready to go. So everything is pretty much pre-prep. It's just for over there to get in the motion. And you guys will be cooking with me again. I didn't do much today, so that's why I didn't end up vlogging earlier. So I still have a lot of things to do. I gotta go get some picture frames, but I don't know when I'm going to do that. Maybe over the weekend. I'm not sure, but I need to get my picture frames and finish decorating the house. It looks so plain because I haven't put up any pictures, but and I also need to get some pictures off my camera and off my phone as well that I want to blow up and put up as well. So I need to get those done. My wedding pictures, I need to get those definitely developed and blow up. And I have not done that as yet. So now that I finally feel at home, I can actually decorate the way that I want to decorate. But it's going to take some time to get this place together, but it's getting there. It's getting there. So I'm just doing some of my assignments. I'm almost finished one, which is good. I have a few of them. One that's due this Friday. I have another one that's due next Friday, and another one that's due the week after, and then I have about 2 more that's due. Oh gosh. So it's gonna be a hectic couple of days, but I'm trying to knock them out and get them done as fast as I can, so then I don't have to worry about, like, you know, falling behind. I'd rather try and do them and get them out of the way and get them done. So I've been moping around the house like a mad woman just in my tie. But that's okay. That is okay. So, and then I had a few phone calls that I had to make today, a few business calls, so I end up having to get that done. So quite a bit of running around, but I'm getting it done. I didn't even think, for me and hubby, from we moved in, we haven't even toast and have like a glass of wine. in the new home or anything. Not even a bottle of Baileys. Ooh, I could do with some Baileys. Oh my gosh, look at my eyes. I think my iron is low. My eyes, guys. I can't remember when's the last time I took iron pills. I hate taking pills. For those who hate taking pills, give this video a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, I hate taking pills. I'd rather do natural home remedies. So if you guys do have any advice that is good for low iron, like things that I can take, like natural things, let me know in the comments below, because your girl has been feeling tired lately and I know my iron's low. I can feel it and I can see it, because anytime my iron's low, and it's been low for a while and it's getting worse, my underneath my eyes, they get very dark. So yeah, let your girl know what you guys do, or what family member, somebody that you know, do for like their iron deficiency, instead of pills. Like, I hate pills. And then to get up every morning, or like you have to be taking 2 of them a day, and they make you constipated. Sorry for the TMI, but I hate it. I hate it with a passion. I try to do more natural stuff, like frying. I'm making liver right now. I know that is good in iron. Callaloo, like greens, kale, banana, like those are good in iron. But sometimes I can't get to all of that stuff. But yeah, I'm open to like other natural remedies that anyone you guys use, or anybody that you know uses, like for iron, that helps with iron, that is really good and good for iron intake. All the craziness that's been going on behind the scenes, but your girl's still staying positive. And yeah, you know, I just gotta give thanks every day to God that I'm up, I'm alive, I'm awake. And I always say, no matter what you're facing, as long as you're healthy, you know, you can push your way through stuff. Don't give up, because this world, they tell you, said it's made for the swift. And if you're weak, it will definitely do some damage to you. So they said only the strong survive, and I do believe that. So just keep pushing no matter what. Just continue, push for what you want. And you have to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself that you can do it, nobody else won't believe in you. That's what the one and foremost important thing. It's good that you might have your husband, your sister, your mother, and brothers, sisters, kids supporting you. But if you don't believe in yourself that you can do it, how are they supposed to believe in you, right? So I wonder if this water is finished boiling up yet. So that's my little spiosh for the day. Well, my liver is certainly cooking away there. So guys, water is boiled up. I just finished washing my hand, and my flour is ready to go in. It is ready. So let me just roll it up like this. It's ready to go. And then I'll put it in. Whoa. Let me show you. I'll leave the flowers in the pots. So that's what they look like inside the pot. I'll just leave them inside. And I'm going to put my yam and stuff in afterwards. I'm not going to put those in right away. So I'm going to wait maybe a good 10-15 minutes before I put them in, because I always like my flour to cook first before I go and put anything else in, because the sweet potato and stuff, they don't take that long to cook, and they'll mash out in the pot. And I'm not trying to make soup. I'm trying to make hard food. So yeah guys, I'm finished. Wash up my plate. I always like to wash as I go, or at least so I don't have that heap mess left too. And then I have my let me see here. I need my just put that down. So like with this now, like the way it's cooking, I can get all my stuff and throw them in. And so now, because this has been cooking for a while, so I'll let this cover this up and let that bad boy cook. I'll leave it like that, let it cook. I'll be back when it looks like. So see, I'm gonna let it cook now until it's ready to go. See the flour, they're starting to float. The other ones that were sinking. Yeah guys, I'm about to put in my dump yam and all that stuff. So I got my sweet potato and stuff. I am just putting it in the pot because you see dumplings pretty much cook, so I could put them in now. So that is what I am doing. So I need to show you, get them in. Okay, so and all I gotta do now is just stir the pot and let it sit. So I got more dishes. That's okay. Put these here. So I'm gonna let that sit and go on simmer. So, and that it shouldn't take long because dumplings usually don't take long to cook anyways. So this is why I took the time, and I know that they'll be cooked. So, and I still got my is that I hear somebody coming? I think Mr. Williams is home. I think Mr. Williams is home. Let me close this curtain. And these guys staring in my morning for. Where is he? Hubby is home, guys. So you didn't know that. You know, can't run no more company vehicle, can't find parking. Yeah, because did you try to park the truck in the garage? Does the mirror fold in? If the mirror fold in, it will be able to go in. Oh, that sucks. Well, that's why I should have your own vehicle. So I am going to finish cooking what I'm cooking and get some work done. Hey guys, so I think dinner is pretty much done. Yes. So the flour is cooked, everything's cooked. I think I could turn it off, and I also got my liver here, guys. So dinner is pretty much, I just gotta wait till it dries out, and then I'm about to dish dinner. I didn't even check to see if the juices were actually finished. I gotta check out that part, see if juice was mixed. I probably need a little bit more juice, so I'm about to mix some juice. What I'm doing, I'm trying to take the tapes. There's some of the tapes that are still off. I took the other one that was on here this morning off, but I haven't got to taking off the tape. I think some of the tapes were still on. Yeah, because see in the corner there, I didn't take off the tape. It's still there. But, man, and you're just moving in everything, not even thinking about that. You just want to get everything in here so you can get your house together. And that's all I was thinking. I didn't even think about no tape. Yeah, guys, are about to eat dinner. Dinner's all dish. I'm about to eat now. So I'm going to end the vlog here because I think we might just hang out and watch some movie for the rest of the night. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Good morning. I hope you guys are having For a while. I got